What's up guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? Now today is going to be kind of like a really sad day or sad video to let you guys know on what's going on, what happened. I just want to, before everything starts, I just want to let you know that, well, I haven't been uploading for about 2 weeks now. I went on holiday to Sydney and I had no internet at all. So I'm back in Melbourne again. I've got internet, so I'm gonna upload this vlog. Well, video, sorry. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty crazy. And also, you notice, what is this, guys? This is a cast because I actually broke my wrist. That is correct. My wrist is broken now. So I take it off on the 22nd. I'm not sure exactly when this video is gonna be uploaded. But that works. But yeah, let's go on with the video. Roll the intro. So you might have remembered Maverick from the past video. I've got my phone here, by the way. I got a phone case on it. It's really cool. I'll do a separate video about the phone case and everything. I'm gonna find a picture of him for you guys. You should know this actually, because if you've been watching my vlog, my videos, you should know. Let me just find him. You should know about this. Here we go. So you see, look at that. Don't want to show my private details. 1 second. There we go. Nope. There you go. So this this was the bird I had. You should know him. I have a video of him. Here we go. So it was his birthday. He was 1 year old at that time. So that always touches my heart now. For the time that's come to my life, it's actually kind of heartbreaking. Excuse me if I cry. It's just really hard for me at this moment to understand exactly what's going on. So a few days after that, we were traveling back to Melbourne on a car, and when I saw him, I looked at him. It's a bit emotional. Sorry guys, it's just I can't handle this. It's so hard to just So that was about a week after he was 1 year old. I took him for a drive back to Melbourne. Halfway through it, I found he was dead. He wasn't moving, he wasn't breathing. He was on the floor. And I started just completely broken emotionally. And when he looked dead, everyone said, "Come on, be strong, it might be alive." And we stopped because we had to go for dinner on the way. And we checked and he wasn't moving. I touched him and there was nothing. That's when I knew he was dead. And I came back home and I broke outside. And I went to sleep. It's bad. I cried. And then the next morning, I just stared at him for the whole night. This is him. It's not the best quality on the camera. He's it was sort of the hardest moment of my life because I knew that he meant the world to me. He was my dad, and I was so happy to have him. So he was something that meant the world to me, and it was so hard for me to let go of him. He was something that was almost part of the family, and it was so hard for me to go through this. Guys, I'm just... It's so hard for me now to go through this moment, and for anyone that had a bird that just was always in the family. Especially at the age that I, it would be very hard for them to comprehend what's going on now and how hard it's been over the last week. I just couldn't believe it. I was feeding him every day. I changed his water every day. I did everything for him. I thought it's gonna be the best bit in the world because it's just. Not long after that, it just changed completely. My life just, it interrupted my life completely. It didn't, every time I think about it, I just started going in tears. Tears are just falling in. I can't stop it because it's so hard for me, and I think I should understand this. He's just passed away, and this is time to go. R.I.P. R.I.P. But if you didn't know his name is Maverick, named after the name. I think that's wind. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but named after Liverpool's bird, which is a sun conure. If you're not familiar with that, just right here, just here. That's a picture of him. Yeah, and I thought I was about to name from it. I was so happy to have him the first day he died. He died, and I thought, it's like I had the bird yesterday. I can't deal with this very easily at all. It's probably that's pretty much it, guys, for the video. Hope you enjoyed again. I went to Sydney, so I didn't have any internet, so I couldn't upload anything else. So yeah, but anyway, guys, enjoy the video, and I'll see you around in 2 weeks. Peace out.